Up here to the Benton County Justice Center courts with the whole crew.
Yeah, good morning. I have a quick question. So there's supposed to be a sheriff's sale. Would that be?
That's going to be outside. Outside. A little.
Oh, outside?
Yep.
Okay, and okay.
Yeah, it's just going to be out in that foyer. Yep, just right outside. See where that man is standing? It's going to happen around that area.
Okay, and so who is going to be coming out to perform that?
I'm not positive. I believe the auctioneer is actually already up there.
The auctioneer.
So do you know where the auctioneer is?
What's that?
The auctioneer?
They're going to be right outside here.
Oh, okay. Oh, do not enter. Do not exit.
You think that's the guy right there? With the notepad?
Get the microphone over there.
Good morning. How can I help you?
Well, we are just here for the, I guess, the sheriff's sale. I guess you have some.
I'm not doing sheriff's sale. I'm not a sheriff.
Okay.
So how can I help you?
Well, we were directed to this location. It's our first time we are experiencing this. So.
And
I
who
guess
are you?
I'm actually attorney, in fact, for one of the victims. So yeah,
Okay,
one of the
one of the
people.
Lanka presents herself as a licensed attorney, but in reality, she holds no official legal credentials. She frequently claims to act as a court officer or government representative, creating confusion about her true authority. Her self-proclaimed roles have gone so far that official organizations, including the FBI's Little Rock Twitter account and the Department of Justice website, have publicly warned the public about her false claims. Lanka even invented her own Freedom to Breathe agency, a so-called government body that exists only in her imagination. These repeated misrepresentations have raised serious concerns about her credibility and the potential for misleading unsuspecting individuals.
Be a little bit more specific.
Yeah, so we have actually an issue here that supposedly there's supposed to be a sale of a property,
Okay.
which is owned by allodial title by a woman, and supposedly
And
an parcel.
who is the lady?
Cat Aspinda.
Okay. And do you have any kind of injunction or anything to stop the sale?
I can show you all the documents here.
'Cause
But
if you
so,
have-
but because you said that you are just the auctioneer.
I'm a process server.
Oh,
for
okay.
papers. And
I see.
one of the things that we get roped to doing is to read these auctions.
Okay, so just first of all, this is the power of attorney of Cat Aspinda,
Okay.
and here.
So can we have a conversation without all
sure.
the cameras? because if you've got an actual document here,
Yes.
we need to make some phone calls and we have to.
Yeah, okay, yeah,
So
I can
we-
absolutely.
You're an attorney, right?
Well, we got to make sure this
I
is all
am,
documented. We want to make sure it's all documented.
Yeah, we have to have it documented, but if you
I'm
are speaking the
trying to-
truth, I'm speaking the truth, so there shouldn't be any
just
problem,
a
right?
messenger service, so yeah. All
Oh,
I'm trying
yeah.
to do is figure this out.
Yeah,
We've got
yeah, we will.
15 cameras on us here, so.
It's okay. Nothing wrong with that.
No, I think there's a lot wrong with
We're in
that.
the public,
Why
sir.
would there be a problem?
Well, because I think we can handle this without drawing everybody into a YouTube video.
They're not going to stop, so just kind of.
Okay. So,
So
you have
here
power
I
of
can-
attorney, so this
yes.
means nothing.
Okay, fine.
Lanka claims to be a licensed attorney, but the truth is she has no legal credentials whatsoever. She often portrays herself as a court officer or a government official, blurring the line between reality and her own fabrications. Her false assertions have reached the point where credible institutions, including the FBI's Little Rock Twitter account and the official Department of Justice website, felt the need to issue public warnings about her. On top of that, she created her own imaginary government entity called the Freedom to Breathe Agency, which exists nowhere outside her claims. These ongoing deceptions have cast serious doubt on her credibility and pose a real risk of misleading anyone who takes her words at face value.
Some kind of
Yes, I will
judgment,
give
or
you.
some kind of
May
document.
I? May I just put it down here? Sorry. Okay, here. Yeah. So here is our code of records. So I will present to you the the documents here. So first of all,
And you're the attorney, so please explain it to me.
I am not a bar attorney, just for the record. I am a private counsel, okay?
Okay.
I am not a member of the private bar association, okay? But I showed you I have the power of attorney. It's for Kat Spinda's safety today, okay? I'm just speaking on her behalf. So here is the deed of trust, which is clearly stating the parcel number, okay?
Where is anything that can stop this sale?
Okay, yes,
Hey.
okay.
So I'm surrounded by about 15 cameras here. We've got somebody
Well,
who's
we are
calling
in
themselves an
public.
attorney
We are.
who is
we
not
are,
an attorney.
We are in public. We are in
So
public.
we have.
I'm a
I'm on the
private
phone.
counsel.
Give me a
Yes.
second. Okay.
Oh, okay,
So.
sure.
I gotta be nice.
Yeah, well, what I need right now is a document that can stop this sale, and that's what we're looking for. This
Okay.
woman says she, that
Okay,
would stop
so-
the sale. Some kind of an injunction, something that says that we cannot do this.
So first of all,
I'm talking to you and somebody else.
There's $1 million lien on the property and a lodio title, sir.
yeah. So she.
Who are you,
she
sir?
holds,
My
she
name is
holds-
Richard David Potts.
Richard David Potzner. No matter what schemes you try, it won't change the outcome. You can place a fraudulent $1 million lien on the property or petition every self-proclaimed expert in the country for some official-sounding title, but none of it will prevent your friend from losing her home. The reality is simple. She stopped paying her mortgage, and no paperwork, petition, or loophole can override that fact.
Okay, and who are you, David? Are you an attorney?
No,
I
they're
would
just.
love to have anybody that has
Okay.
legal authority to tell me that we can stop
Okay,
this
here-
sale so we
here-
can do that.
Sir, here you have affidavit of default and final judgment, okay?
Okay.
And this was served to Michelle Bertolino, the acting as attorney
Okay.
for the bank. Okay, so
Okay.
that's a copy you can have right here.
Okay, so that's an
It's-
affidavit of default.
Yes,
So-
it's basically stating
So is
that the bank, first of all, did not loan any money, anything of substance to Ms. Spinda, okay? And then it's also showing and proving that she actually owns the land, that they have no interest to the land. The only interest they have is to the APN number, which if you proceed to be selling that today, you are selling a fiction. And this is what this affidavit is about, okay? There is also notice of
Is
liability.
this filed with the court?
This is filed with the Secretary of State for State of Washington, okay?
Is any of this filed with the court?
I'm sorry? With the,
Any of this filed with the court?
I believe Kat actually brought it to the district court. It's been dismissed, but this is a matter of public record, okay?
It doesn't make any difference if I don't
No,
have
it does,
if you
it
don't have
does.
authority to do this.
Well, like I said,
Okay.
if you proceed, you will be selling a fiction. You'll be selling a parcel number
just reading
where.
something.
Where Ms. Spinda actually holds the title to the actual land through this land patent.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a certified copy.
Right.
I have the original copy on my file,
Okay.
so you can have this copy.
I don't want it.
Well,
Don't
okay.
need it.
This is why we
You
need
can
to.
leave it all here,
This is
but
why
this
we
is-
need to have it on public record.
This information is being placed on the public record for one clear reason: to warn others before real damage is done. Many people are being misled online by individuals promoting false legal theories and misleading financial advice. Following these figures on social media does not lead to freedom or relief. It often results in deeper debt and the loss of real assets such as homes, vehicles, and savings. If you are watching this and considering drastic changes to your legal or financial status based on what you've been told online, pause and think carefully. Claims about switching status, avoiding obligations, or escaping contracts may sound appealing, but they are not recognized by the courts. Every decision carries consequences, and trusting unverified voices can cause long-term harm. Relying on misinformation instead of legitimate legal guidance is a choice that can affect your finances and stability for the rest of your life.
I know that you are kind of caught in the middle of this, that you probably is the first time this has happened to you, correct? Yeah. So,
Your name is again?
Lenka Coloma?
Lenka Coloma?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, and you are not a legal attorney, but you are acting as one?
I am representing Kat Spinda today because of her safety. Okay, because I have knowledge of the law. Okay, and I'm her next friend, so I'm
Okay.
here
Yeah,
on her
I'm listening.
behalf. Okay, I showed you the power of attorney, that she gave me the power of attorney so I can speak to you today, to present you with the court of record, which is a court of record. Everything has been agreed to. Okay, so if you proceed, like I said, you will be selling a fiction today, and so whoever buys that fiction. Whoever buys the fiction will be actually defrauded, and this is why we have to have it on a public record, because this is in public arena.
Give me a minute.
Yeah, thank you.
So Kat has joined us now. Kat, welcome to the call. Glad you're here. We're just following closely. Oh, Kat just left. It's interesting that they don't want things on record and they don't want to do it.
Give me a minute. I got to finish the conversation on the mill.
It's becoming a little bit uncomfortable. That's exactly what we're doing.
Anyone who possibly try to suppress the facts.
It's also studying how they just want to talk to the lawyer.
Hi, nice to meet you.
I'm Kat's friend. I've been trying to teach people
You don't have
Hey,
to
Jack.
real estate for 30 years, all the way through.
So it appears the guy that's doing the auction here, the auction's supposed to take place right here. It appears that he got really upset by all the cameras in his face. He's going inside to see what's going on, make a phone call, which should be a little interesting. It should be an interesting situation going on today. It should be an interesting test as to how this illegal title thing works. So very excited and interested to see how it's going to go.
I hate to burst anyone's bubble, but we don't even need to watch the rest of this video. At this point, it's obvious how the situation is going to unfold.
I was just walking by and I don't even know what's going on.
Forward in someone else's name, and that's the superior title to the land. Are you aware of the difference between real property and private property, real estate, what real estate is?
Well, we're professionals, and
What kind of profession are you?
we do this all the time, so we're
Yeah,
pretty well aware of
I
all this.
bet. What kind of professional are you?
I'm not going to talk anymore about this.
Why not?
We're making money professionals.
Oh, I see.
The sheriff's either on the side with the auctioneer.
Okay. You know that there is really no money too, right? Or this is news to you?
We know everything.
Oh, okay, good. Okay.
I wish I did. I know nothing.
Yeah, we are just discovering a lot of things here
It's
today.
good to know everything.
Sure is.
So you guys buy
They
it
don't have
and then
names
you
either.
flip it? That's what you do, or?
Sometimes.
No, we are.
Filled out check.
Hey guys, if we could not block the door.
He's the one standing here in the door. We came here.
But if we can have you guys back. Guys, step back. Come on. Give us a second. And we're going to do everything, okay?
We're just looking at someone else's check.
can I
Well,
be
this is an auction. Now you're doing business
I'm
privately.
not
You should look at this judge's check.
I
It doesn't
have
have a
to
name.
qualify my bidders and try to do it with respect to them.
I'd like to qualify.
Okay, cash your check?
I've gold and silver. Do you accept that? Quite a bit of it.
Okay, do you have it on you?
Yeah, let's go look.
I do too. Yeah, I do
We have
too.
lots of it.
So
I can show you a little
How do we-
bit. I have a whole lot more where that comes from.
how do we know the value of your gold and silver that you're
We can check the
possessing?
spot price right now online. It's very easy. It's in between $25 and $35 right now.
Real money.
Real money.
Real money.
That's what we deal in.
You're gonna have enough to pay for the property?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Offered by the Constitution is
Yeah, I'm not getting, you guys are way out of my price range, okay?
Here's something even more ironic. Your friend is the one losing her house. And if you're watching this, go ahead and hit the like button, because it's almost comical when someone who tries to game the system ends up paying the price themselves. Trying to outsmart the bank rarely ends well, and in this case, it only led to losing the property.
He's standing inside on the inside. Hasn't gone through security, but standing next to a bunch of sheriffs on the inside there, trying to figure out what's going on. I guess he's asking the sheriffs for their protection, but it's a public hearing, so it's going to be interesting to see how this goes. We got the people over here who are coming to buy, the property. I'm assuming just house flippers, and so they're pretty confused about what's going on too. So this will be a very interesting situation. We're going to see how it goes.
It's all a script. Yeah. It's all a script. We want to hear it all, sir.
Hey, we will.
The whole thing. There's $1 million lien on this property, guys. Just so you know.
And you are buying a fiction.
And you don't want to deal with me. Believe that.
You are not getting
super scary.
I'm not trying to scare anybody, sir.
The legal description is as follows. Lot 14, Block 2 of the Ridge. Okay, you are going to stop standing behind me. Get up there. You want to record, stand up there.
Oh, thanks for your advice. Didn't need it though.
Okay. Stay away from me.
Okay.
Now, pursuant to the notice of trustee sale is duly posted, recorded, same damn thing. I don't care. Don't get behind me.
Do what you're told. Do what you're told, Chadwick. He's the boss of us.
I'm trying to read this. Why?
I can't wait. What page was it again? 574?
Page 574.
They're all in on it, Marine. I already called the...
As required by the laws of the state, I am offering for sale to the highest bidder for cash or interest. We do not accept cash. We're only taking cash.
Just say no to drugs.
Does anyone wish to enter a bid? I have 3 qualified bidders. I will entertain bids this time. Do not walk behind me. I'm dead serious, guys. I'm not doing this. Don't walk behind me.
You really know what it means to be in public.
Apparently not.
You don't walk behind me.
That's hilarious.
I'm with you. Let's check out Kat Spenda's newly auctioned home and see how she's reacting to the big news.
And just for the record, this is what's being sold. It's a fiction, legal description right here, the deed of trust versus the lady, the woman. Kat Spinda owns the land. Please put it on public record. Yes, that's what you asked for.
If we'd had a legal issue, we would have stopped this.
That's right.
Okay, time of the opening bids.
For the record. Legal, real, private property, land, soil, people walk on the soil. Fictions, persons, corporations.
Look, it's they're both in on it
fiction.
here. Here's the auction going on.
Yeah,
Don't miss
that's
it.
What they are buying.
What's the current bid?
$352,800.
352,000. Just trying to hear.
Excuse me, son.
Don't touch me. Guys, don't touch me. You will have problems.
Don't touch me. Out here now. Hey. This is going to get stupid.
Touch me, find out.
This guy shoved this guy. I saw the whole thing. I have it on tape.
I saw the whole thing too.
This guy in gray. We've got it on tape, sir.
Good.
That's called assault. We like to press assault charges on this guy immediately. Chadwick, do you want to press assault charges?
Got this on camera?
Yeah, we got the whole thing on camera.
Please have a sheriff's deputy out here.
Guy in black keeps assaulting them.
Thank you. Well, they're shoving into us. They're interfering with the sale. They can video record, but they've got to stay back. People trying to cross in behind me and everything else.
That's rude. It's awfully rude, sir.
Got $353.
Mind your manners.
$874.
How is that rude, sir?
Have you been doing that?
Yes, sir.
Everything you're doing, you think that's not rude?
Hold on. Well, you let me know how I'm rude. I'll point it out. But I'm not calling people rats.
Stop.
Hey, what's this guy doing? He wants to come here and keep on getting in front of me?
So these two are working together behind the auction here. This is their security guard shoving a young man in public, just recording, which is our legal right. This guy shoved this guy. The sheriffs are watching. It's a very tense moment right now.
I'm standing right here. You
Get away from me now.
These two are working together. They're working together inside. This guy would not qualify my funds, and this is a security agent. And these guys back here are also in on it. I've seen about enough here today.
Honestly, her complete lack of self-awareness is almost satisfying. I can guarantee the media didn't cover her frivolous lawsuit because they probably looked at it and decided it wasn't worth printing. Some things are better left in the trash than on the front page.
And I do have a allodial title to this land, and all you bought was the APN number. So this is being, of course, recorded here. I guess you know him, and yeah. And so just want to let you know that you're gonna have problems. You're gonna have problems.
Okay. So.
And this will be all online.
Perfect.
We're going to be exposing see, there's bank fraud going on at Happel Community Credit Union, and I had an $8.3 million lawsuit against Crossgree, against Crossgree, against Ken Hohenberg with Hapo, because they are committing fraud. 100% of my loan came from the Federal Reserve. It didn't come from them. Banking laws require that you have proof of consideration. They provided no proof, and the federal judge squashed my case because they're all abetting in fraud together. So I just want to let you know, also there was $1 million lien put on this home about 3 days ago. So if you guys try to transfer it, Yeah, did you guys do a title search? I hope so.
I think it's good if those guys are committing fraud. I think it's great that you're exposing it.
Yeah.
I think you guys are angry at the wrong people.
No.
Just to be quite honest with you.
We're not angry.
I mean,
I'm not angry.
That.
I'm just trying to expose the fraud.
Sure.
And being that you guys are
out.
buying homes, see, because 1 million homes per year, people are kicked out of their homes when the banks provide $0, nothing. So this is a slavery system, and you guys are participating by buying off of the backs of people who are misfortunate, right? They can roll someone out in 80 years old onto the street because they could own the home outright, but because of property taxes, they can steal their home, oxygen mask, children's out on the street, and this is happening every day in this country. It's a slavery system, and I have a lodial title. You can look on the corners of my property. I posted it. It's been legal notice for 60 days. Nobody rebutted it. No one rebutted it. And so I'm just letting you know. I mean, I was somebody here. I was a CEO in this area for a long time. I've been doing business in this town for 26 years. I've read financial statements. I have the proof of fraud from, and if you'd like to watch my show, I actually expose all of the proof online. So everybody in this world, we have people from Washington, D.C., who has actually traveled all the way over here to just make sure that you guys are getting exposed for what you are doing. So your faces are here.
That's what I mean.
What is your name again?
That's what I mean.
What's his name?
Todd Jones.
Todd.
Are you working together?
And also, you hit one of the guys that was recording. Why did you do that?
He's down filing assault charges.
Literally, that was on video. That was literally on video. You guys.
I do seriously though.
Yeah.
I think if you feel like you're being done wrong, I think it's great that you're exposing it.
Yeah.
I do, but I think that you guys are lashing. Not you.
Yeah.
Earlier.
Yeah.
Lashing out at the wrong people. That's what I'm just
Who's
saying.
the wrong? Who's the right people? Ken
To lash
November
out at?
with Hapo? I already did.
What you had mentioned, that if someone did that to me, that's who I would be lashing out at.
I already did. So $8.3 million lawsuit that you didn't hear about because the Tri-City Herald doesn't report on truth.
Yeah.
They don't report the truth.
No,
So-
I agree with you.
Okay,
on
well
that.
then there you go. See, I sent
agree
them my
with you.
$8.3 million lawsuit like 4 months ago, but did you see it in the paper?
She'll be there for the next 20 days, which is how long the state of Washington requires a new owner to wait before filing for eviction after a foreclosure. Don't worry, I've already got the details of her in-person court hearing, and I'll be sharing that with you in an upcoming video. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and hit the like button. If not, hit dislike. But make sure to leave a comment and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss any of my future content. I'm Team Skeptic, and I'll see you in the next one.
So is that Jared's not the bad guy here.
But you guys were both bidding on this house, correct? Both of you?
No, just me.
And
This
just
time.
you?
Yeah, you didn't, and then there
Oh,
was
you were
another
just
girl.
kind
Sir,
of
how many
standing-
properties do you own in the county, Todd? Todd, how many properties do you own in the
I
county?
own plenty of properties, but
I
that,
know,
what
I
is that?
understand completely. Thank you for telling me.
Sure. Anyways, all
Yeah.
I'm trying to say is that Jared's not the bad guy here. And I agree with you. If somebody's doing you wrong, if the bank is doing you wrong, I agree. Go after him.
No, we
100%.
did. See, we
That's
live in a
good,
crooked
then.
system with crooked judges. Joseph Burroughs ignored all of my bank fraud. So what does that mean? So if we have a crooked judge, right? And then he puts out a crooked order to have this house go under when I provided all the proof that the bank provided $0, which breaks banking laws and security exchange laws. But see, look what they're doing to Trump. This is a crooked system. They're doing it to him. They're doing it to me. And they're doing it to 1 million people a year when the banks provide $0. So this is a movement of the people. The taxes are closing in on the people. The middle class is getting forced out. People like you are buying homes with certified debt because it's not even cash. There's no money. It's all debt.
I agree. There's corruption all over the world.
Yeah.
There is a ton of corruption. Anyhow.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
gentlemen.
Have a great day. But I have a low deal title of this home, so I will be here.